Is your machine's trimming function not working? No need to worry. Here's how to fix it and get it working perfectly. First, tilt the machine into the rest position. Now take a look here. The trimming cam is not in its proper position. To fix this, loosen the first screw, then the second one. Now that the trimming cam is loosened, let's adjust it to the correct position. There should be a 1.5 mm gap between the trimming cam and the roller. Make sure to adjust it precisely for smooth operation. Tighten the screw firmly. Now, tilt the machine back and check the trimmer. And look, it's working perfectly, just like always.